If you're struggling to make your first sale, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your first sale and personally how I got my first sale. So for now, I'm going to assume that you already have a product and you have published it on a marketplace. If you do not have a product ready or if you haven't published it, you can click here and watch this video. I talk in detail about how I created my first profitable product. So I'm going to break this entire process into two major parts. The first part is going to be about product. The second part is going to be about marketing. So let's talk about the first part, that is the product. Now, I don't want to make this video theoretical, so I'm going to open my product and I can discuss the theory and show you the examples. Now, when a user comes and visits your landing page or your product page, the very first thing that they notice is your thumbnail or a banner. Any kind of visual is the first thing that they notice. So here you can see the thumbnail for my product, and this thumbnail majorly has three components. The first one is going to be the title, which is on the right hand side. Next is going to be the book, which gives them a feel of a physical book. And the third element is going to be a fog kind of scene in the background. I feel like that adds more depth and makes it more premium. And by the way, if you want to know how to create these thumbnails, I use Gemini and Canva. Both are completely free, and I've written a detailed course on exactly this process. So I will link it down in the description. You can get it from there. Now, the second thing that the user notices on your landing page is your product title. It's pretty obvious. Now, for the titles, I've seen a lot of people do this mistake where they add long titles where they can explain a lot of things. They feel like the more information I put in the title, the better, which is usually wrong, and it's kind of the opposite of it. I usually like to keep my title as short and precise as possible. As you can see here on my product, it just says 7-day reset. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, this product was initially called the Ultimate 7-day reset, which is a little longer. So I cut it down to 7-day reset and I could see a clear increase in sales. So I would highly recommend to keep your titles as short as possible and as precise as possible. As soon as I see the title, I should know exactly what this product is about. Right here, you can see it's a reset and it's for 7 days. You can do that with any product you have. Now that we're done with the thumbnail and the title, the third thing a user or a buyer sees on your landing page is your main heading. Now, the heading is the first part of your description. This is the part that everybody reads, irrespective of if they're using a mobile or a PC. This part is visible to everybody. So you have to make it very crisp and you have to be more of outcome focused than a feature focused. Let me show you exactly what I mean by that. So here you can see my product. I have reset your entire life in 7 days, one clear action per day. Now, the most important line here is this part. For the person who keeps saying, I need to get my life together, this is the exact system to finally do it. So I target a very specific audience and I pinpoint their exact pain. So when they read this, they feel very relatable. They feel like I've already solved the problem and I have the capability of solving their problem as well. That is why they get it. Now, if you come down to the summary section right here, you can see that I've written, by the end, you'll feel like yourself again. Not a new version, just the one that actually has their life together. Here you can see that I've tried to portray the outcome of getting the product, not the features of it. Now, here's a side tip for you. If you have any kind of reviews, testimonials, or any proof in general, I would highly recommend you front load all of that reviews. Now, what I mean by that is try to put your reviews and your testimonials on the top of the description so they don't have to scroll a lot. The proof is something that talks on its own. You don't have to say much about it. And as you can see, I've added reviews right here. In fact, I can show you with the other product as well. As you can see, this is proof that I'm getting sales consistently. This is something you have to front load because you can do a lot of talking, but a proof of work or a review or a testimonial talks much more and has much more impact. Now, if you don't have any reviews or testimonials, I would highly recommend you to give out your product for free for a very selected people. So, for example, when I launched my Threads growth system, I did not have any reviews. I gave the entire product for free for a very selected people. I usually choose the ones that are more supportive, more encouraging, so that I get a lot of reviews and feedbacks. And the best part of this is that you can understand if your product is good or bad, or where you have to focus more on and where you can make your product better. So that is it for the product side. Now let's move to the second part, which is the marketing side. Now this part is very important because if people don't see your product, you have no idea if your product is good. You have no idea if you're solving the right problem, if the problem is something people pay for, and you obviously make no sales. So for marketing, I mainly use Threads. Now Threads is one of the easiest and the best platforms to build your personal branding, and it recently crossed over 500 million active users. Most people don't even know this, so it's a very untapped potential and it drives more than 95% of my sales. So let me come over to my threads page and show you how I do marketing. So here you can see my profile. I roughly round up to 35 million views every month. And here, if I scroll down, here you can see I make a lot of posts on personal growth and I majorly promote the 7-day reset product, which is related to personal growth. So a product should always resonate with the kind of content that you post. Let me quickly show you a post as an example. So here I have the hook, I have the content. It's obviously a long form post. And if you're just starting out on Threads, I highly recommend you put a lot of long form posts. This is what drives in a lot of followers and a lot of sales. And in the end here, you can see that I have a CTA to get my product. This is the exact step that drives me sales every single day. Here I'll attach few screenshots that you can see. Now, a problem that I faced in the past is I used to put in a lot of time and efforts into writing the long form post. And I had to do this every day because, you have to consistently post it. And recently I found this tool that took my work from 2 to 3 hours a day to just 15 minutes a day. And the tool I use is called BlackTwist. And as I said, I'm not a big fan of theory, so let me head over to BlackTwist and I'll show you how I use it. So here you can see all the posts that I've made on BlackTwist, and I've been using this platform for around 3 to 4 months now, and it's been a complete game changer. Before I used to make around 50 to 200 followers a day at max. Now, after using BlackTwist, I make around 700 to almost 1,000 followers per day. And the best part here is you can go down to inspiration and it's going to list down all the viral posts that the other people have made in your niche. So you can see the exact templates that they use, and you can also click on use as template. You just grab their template, put in your own content and post. This way the chance of going viral is a lot more. And here you can also see the analytics. I've been on a 363 posting streak. So 2 more days and then I'll be completing a whole year on Threads, which is amazing. Here you can also see the number of posts that I make and how consistent you've been. You also have milestones. You get these cards for monthly views, followers, etc. Now, the best part about BlackTwist is that you can connect it to Claude or ChatGPT and completely automate the entire system. I talk about that in complete detail. You can click this I button here and watch that video. I talk about my entire automation, how I run my system. So this was the entire process of how I made my first sale and how you can do it as well. If you have any questions regarding this entire process, you can put them down in the comments below. I'll be glad to make a separate video for it. And if you want to know how I automate this entire system from post analysis to doubling down on viral posts to getting consistent sales, you can click here and watch this video. I talk in detail about the entire system using Claude and BlackTwist. So click here and watch this video. Until then, I'll see you in the next.